Now for the 5 heart sounds. Remember, all pigs eat too much. We're going to go over landmarks and where to listen to them. For aortic, find a sternal notch and then walk your fingers down to the second right intercostal space. That is A for aortic. For P for pulmonic, just go on the opposite side. That's located at the second intercostal space. Now to find E for Erb's point, just walk your fingers down about 2 finger breadths to the third intercostal space. And then the tricuspid for T, that's the fourth left intercostal space. And then lastly is mitral. That's going to be midclavicular, fifth intercostal space. And there you have it, all your heart sounds. All pigs eat too much. Please follow, like, and share with a friend. See you guys in the next videos.